And next in our series, Manychat in 2 minutes. Question: what is Manychat and how does it work for Instagram DM automation? To be honest, this should have been the first question because it's definitely one of the questions I get asked most. So let me break it down for you. Manychat is an automated messaging service. As a third-party tool you can use on Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and others, it allows you to auto-send messages to contacts. Now, let's take Instagram, for example, which happens to be the social media platform it's most widely used on. Here's a scenario. While scrolling on Instagram, you come across a reel or a carousel that interests you. Somewhere within the content, whether a caption, a person in a video, or other, it states, "Comment X and I'll give you Y." Well, you want whatever Y is, so you comment X, whatever that keyword is. In moments, you receive a DM with a link to Y. Although the owner of the post sent a DM, it was actually sent as an automated DM by Manychat when you trigger the chatbot with your comment. Now, why is this used? Well, for the benefit of both the owner of the content and you, the interested viewer. Let me break it down once again. As the owner, you don't have to send a DM yourself. 1, saving you time. 2, handling more messages at once. And 3, responding to DMs 24/7, 365 days a year. As the commenter, you benefit from 1, faster responses. 2, getting what you want without leaving that content. And 3, a reply 24/7 all year round. And there are a ton of other benefits for both owners and commenters that Manychat brings. And automation is just simply one of the best ways to work smarter, not harder on Instagram. By the way, since you're interested in Manychat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your Manychat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1, scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2, visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.